Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Many CMA final students are asking about the ABC analysis for June 2026 examinations, and they are asking about revision series also. In this video, I will give you update about two things. The first one, ABC analysis for June 2026 and revision videos for June as well as December 2026 examination. Whatever the revision series videos we are going to upload, that revision series videos are useful for both attempts, June as well as December 2026 examinations. And now in this video, I will tell you how to download our soft copies also from our website. Whatever the soft copies are available in our website, yes, that is version 5 books which are useful for June as well as December 2026 exams. The first we can go with the ABC analysis of CMA final direct taxation, that is paper number 15. Now I am classifying whatever the chapters we have in our syllabus into 4 categories. The first one A plus, second one A category, next one B category, next one C category. So in this, the very important, you should prepare every chapter within A plus category chapter. There is no excuses also. There is no choices also. If you prepared all these chapters thoroughly, definitely you can get question paper 80 marks from these chapters. You can score 70 plus also if you prepared each and every concept within that. Okay. Yes, if you are confused anything or any chapter related provisions also, no problem. You can get 50 or 60 marks also. So that's why what are the A plus category chapters? Basic concepts, chapter 6-year deductions, double taxation avoidance agreement, yes, transfer pricing. For these two chapters and tax planning chapter, definitely chapter 6-year deductions knowledge is required. So that's why chapter 6-year also A plus category. Now business restructuring, non-resident, advanced tax and interest, appeals, trust chapter, PCBP, assessment of various entities, these are all A plus category chapters only. Now if you come across the A category chapters, return of income, updated return, assessment procedure, search and seizure, advance ruling, block money, ICDS, these are all the chapters also A category. If you haven't time, yes, you have to refer these chapters also, because in search and seizure we have an amendment, in updated return also we have an amendment, and every attempt they are given the ICDS also. In every MTP they are concentrating on the advance ruling as well as block money act. So easy chapters, and within the less time you can complete the revision of these chapters also. Next, B category, tax audit. Sir, why tax audit is B category? Because that is given in our supplementary material, but in our main module which are applicable for our examination, they are not included the tax audit topic, but safe side we have to refer. Tax audit, it is a B category. GAR, capital gain, TDS and TCS, many amendments are there. You should refer amendments at least. Liabilities in special cases, next penalties and prosecution, you will get at least 2 MCQs from this. That's why B category. You can outrightly ignore these topics, no problem. Yes, income tax authorities, collection, recovery, refund, income from other sources, as well as dispute resolution committee. So in this ABC analysis, again I want to communicate, if you prepare these 12 chapters thoroughly, you can score exemption without any doubt. Now, so if you observe the MQP of June 2026, they released the model question paper. I think in that heading they given it as an practice test paper PTP. Anything also one and the same. Yes. In this paper pattern only, our final examination also mostly will come. In the last attempt also, December 25, MQP pattern only reflected in the final exam. So now you can get the same paper pattern in our final exam also. Sir, if it is not repeated also, don't worry, because we are ready to prepare these 12 chapters. Anyhow, you are in a safe side. But you can expect the same paper pattern for the June 2026 examination, same like as an PTP paper. 2A trust chapter. 2B, 7 marks, assessment of various entities, partnership from total income and tax liability computation. 3A, 3B, totally from the tax planning chapter. 4A, business restructuring. 4B, non-resident. 5A, advance ruling. That's why I given this as an A category. Next, advanced ruling after that, advanced tax and interest, A category, A plus category. Yes, next, transfer pricing, DTAA, again transfer pricing, assessment of various entities. I think it is a book profit computation, MAT, simply MAT computation. Next, transfer pricing. In this same way, you can expect the final question paper also. Now, what about the revision series, sir? Yes, in this attempt, that means whatever the revision series now I am going to upload for June as well as December 26, these videos, I will upload some videos recorded. So that means I take an EVO batch and I haven't recorded of my own versions. I will upload the same videos, but some chapters I will come for the YouTube live. That means the mixer of the both the live as well as recorded I will take, and MCQ discussion I will take the live session. So whatever that version 5 MCQs we have, that all the MCQs discussion I will take through that YouTube live. So that means, yes, so tomorrow or today onwards I will upload the recorded videos, and in meantime, that means any day, Saturday, Sunday or any day, if possible, I will come for the live also. Yes. Now, sir, whatever the revision series you are going to take, how to download the materials? How to download the materials? So whatever that materials we are going to use in our revision series, that are version 5 materials, so which are already I uploaded in our website. Yes, you can log into our website with your mobile number. Yes, www.shikharatutorials.in. Yes, under free resources, I already uploaded these 3 books: concept book, workbook, MCQ and handwritten notes. These 3 already I uploaded. You can download and you can take xerox and you can use for the revision videos also. Now, again I am saying soft copies are available for download, and with that, with the soft copy you can go for the xerox also. Yes, what is that? Version 5 books only you have to use for the June as well as December 2026 exam. And last one, I want to say all the best and thank you. Have a nice day.